My name is Dewana Baker with Women's Council Realtors Fort Bend, and I just wanted to make sure everyone come out on May the 11th for the Margarita Crawl in Sienna in the Village Home Park, and I hope to see you there. And we are in the community, serving the community, and helping the community. We are going to be giving back to this wonderful organization, the Sanctuary. They have these beautiful signs that you can put in your client's yard. If they sell a home, part of the proceeds can go back to the Sanctuary. Any dollar amount they will take. So please come out and help and donate as much as you possibly can, or it can be a little or a lot, to the Sanctuary and to the other organization that we are sponsoring and highlighting during the Margarita Crawl.
Hi everybody, my name is Ariel with the Sanctuary Foster Care Services. I'm the case manager for the Fort Bend area. We are opening an office here in Fort Bend, and so we are looking to raise $175,000 to open our doors. We have an amazing realtor program called Sell a Home, Give a Home, where you will learn a lot more about what the Sanctuary does and who we are at the Margarita Crawl on May 11th. So this card right here is sent to your client's home once you donate a portion of that sale. You give us the address, then we send this card, and what this card does is it lets your client know that a portion of the sale of their home went to help the Sanctuary Foster Care Services. So it's a great way to let them know how you're helping the community, and then lets them know a little bit about the Sanctuary and what we're doing in the community.
Hope to see you at Margarita Crawl on May the 11th.